minute ago, your pops was rough. Your pops was rough on you. How, like, what would you say your parenting style was compared to your pops with your boy? Rowdy, you know what I'm saying? Huh?
My style? You mean
Like
raising them?
your pops. I heard you talk about your pops, like how your pops, you know what I'm saying? Like what would you say, like, advice to somebody, you know, raising boys out here, man? It's rough out here. Like, you've been through a lot. And you said they've been through a lot of what you've been through, so.
I'm gonna tell you something, man. Almost like the girls too, man. Yo, sometimes you gotta let them fly, man. You can't be holding the kids back, man. I know you be trying to want to protect them. You just gotta tell them right, and you can't hold them back. See, when you hold them back, you don't want to let them come outside or hold them when they get outside. You don't come back to the net.
You gotta teach them. You gotta teach them how to go outside, so when they get outside.
Let me tell you, son. I was that type of kid, man. I couldn't come outside for a little bit too long, so I got like 2 rounds, 78, 79. You feel me? And I start feeling the streets right away. And okay, who this kid? And then I start getting a lump in bed. I'm coming off now. Probably not even got no fighting skills. So I see my first man. I see my first dude I seen with the fighting skill. I start picking up on shit. My boy, Kuma boy Step, 52. I said, Kirk Pistachio.
Remember the 52? The 52 was crazy.
Yeah, Kirk Pistachio too. He raised me. You know, RC. And I seen all the time rambles. And I seen Step. And my man Flex, God bless his dead, he had the footwork. I was doing my own thing because I was already getting knuckle games from my mom. Red wrenches to the head and all that shit. You know what I mean? So gun butts to the head and all that shit, man. Another thing. So
you came up in the time. You came up in the time with Scoops and all, and them cats there, right?
Yeah, Scoops is we all went to school together, man. 252. Scooter, man. And Flatbush, it was fathers with my boy though, but Lawrence Cicero, he came in the 90s. Fathers, boy, Flatbush 90s, sometimes he get along. Yo, fathers, Lawrence Cicero, moved down. My boy. So then, who else went to school with? She was younger than us, but MC Light, above the rim dude.
MC Light? Where's 252 at?
That's 90, Somers, Kings Highway, 94th, 95th Street.
That's crazy too. My mother went to Somers.
Oh, your mom went to Somers?
Yeah, my mom went to Somers.
Man, yo, something crazy. When we had the wickedest Dean. Dean was with the snake. Oh, Dean, Tab. Okay, he had a brother, and I didn't even know he had a brother. That's a funny story, too, because we can get back.
Who had a brother?
Tab. Tab. There was a Dean named Tab.
Right.
But he had a brother in my 11, too. I ain't know that, because my cousin went to my 11. And that's what I'm talking about, because we be getting off with something sometimes. I'm talking about back with these kids thing. You know, like I'm saying, I'm with people now that we used to get it on with. We make dough and all that shit. You know what I'm saying? It's a big waste of time, but back to the kids shit and the tab, bringing up that tab. One day I got to a beef with a youngin', he tried to put his hammer, yo, it easy. Next dude put the battle in his back. Let's deal with this kid case. Because he pull out, he ain't let go. That's cool. You know what I mean? But we wasn't holding. So I said, but you know, we talk about it, we're going to hunt the kids down with the bullshit. I said, nah. You know what? It's a young kid. After we started us with the rugby thing, young brothers getting auto respect. We started respecting young niggas. We said, nah, we ain't going to sledge them. We're going to teach them a lesson. So we went to my 11, and my cousin went to the dean, the other tab, pulled the kid out the class. The kid thought, oh my God, the dean's down with the thug, they're going to kill me in the hallway. Now he's like this, yo, let me tell you something, young. Yo, got little blood clot, boy, for the bus. Look how he key out for blood clot school. Whoa! To tell you, Seth, keep what I made my blood clot gun town. True story. Whoever that kid is today, I know he know what I'm talking about. That's how he was giving it up. So a lot of people, when we make sure go to school, we ain't fuck with them, make sure they ain't get no trouble, they end up becoming important people.
Uncle P, what up?
It's another reason why I'm still on the streets today. You know what I'm saying? I ain't blowing nobody up. I'm just saying in general, when you was growing up as a kid, you be like, and you probably with your pops and moms, and they be like, oh God, look for that certain people that funny things. Remember, we used to go to school with them people that you used to go to school with them. Like, what you talking about? You think they lying like fuck?
Let me ask you a question.
Hey, you see people in movies? I got people in love and hip hop now, and motherfucker, I'm looking at like, what the fuck?
Let me ask you a question. Let me ask you a question. A lot of what you speak of sounds a lot family based and family orientated. Was like the Bush at times when you was growing up, your memories. I heard you say that in one of your stories before too about you was able to hustle. You was talking about that earlier the other day or whatever, and you was talking about how you was able to get through because you kept a connection with the people. Do you think that Flatbush has changed in that regard, or you think it's still like that?
Yeah, because back in the days, the whole Flatbush was like, yo, men in Puerto Caribbean people. So you walk down the block, you touch somebody, you get pelts on it till you reach the next block. You know what I mean? Pans and
That shit sound rough.
Man, I'm trying to rob Georgia on the block of the life. He running down the block, everybody throwing shit. Ping, 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 ping. Getting pelted up running down the block. Yeah, it's changed. Now it's yo, beat them up, selfie. You know what I mean? Now it's, you know what word I hate? Pussy.
You hate what?
I hate the word when niggas say, yo, that nigga pussy.
Why you hate that? Why you hate that word?
Because I seen motherfuckers you call pussy kill niggas. I see niggas be hardcore, do this shit and get to jail, and then I see niggas that was what's a fly here, get locked up, and have a whole motherfucking section. And I'm like, you know what I'm saying? So, yo, I'd rather niggas say, yo, you bitch ass nigga, and then a nigga be like, all right, but yo, that word, man, I seen niggas so stupid over there. It's like sucking dick. You know,
I don't know where that came from. Like that's like a trend. Like that shit is some shit where you on missile kind of war. Like
I mean, back then, if you think about it, we was saying that shit prevalent, but we wasn't thinking about it really. But you know, like now we on some more much thing. I mean, we got rethink. You know what I mean? So.
Y'all remember you telling me about you was telling me we always talk about parties and different things in Flatbush that's great memories. And one of the things we always talk about is block parties. I remember you was telling me about a 2-day block party